Hey there, tech fellows. Welcome back to the Everyday Talk. It's your host, Raheem, and today we're diving into a device that has been making waves since its launch, the MacBook Pro M1. But what makes this machine so special? Stick around because we're about to unveil why this affordable beast is turning heads and redefining what's possible with a laptop. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like what you see for more exciting tech content. Let's be a little teach freak first and kick things off with the heart of this beast, the M1 chip. You might have heard the buzz, but do you know what it really means for performance? The M1 chip integrates the CPU, GPU, and neural engine into one tiny chip, bringing incredible speed and efficiency. This means faster processing, better graphics, and more intelligent machine learning tasks. Imagine editing 4K videos or running complex simulations seamlessly on a laptop. Curious about how it stacks up against Intel-based models? The M1 blows them out of the water with up to 2.9 times faster performance in rendering 8K video in Final Cut Pro. Now let's discuss this in layman terms, but before that, consider subscribing because why not? So let's talk about the design. Apple has always been known for its sleek and premium builds, and the MacBook Pro M1 is no exception. But here's a twist. While maintaining its iconic design, it packs a bigger punch in terms of thermal efficiency. The advanced thermal system ensures it stays cool and quiet even during intense workloads. The built-in fan is there when you need it, but as far as my experience goes, it never kicks off for me, even while editing videos. And if you think this is just another pretty device, wait till we discuss the durability and eco-friendliness. With 100% recycled aluminium and rare earth elements, it's as tough as it is green. What about the display, you ask? The MacBook Pro M1 features a stunning Retina display with P3 wide color gamut, offering vivid and true-to-life colors. Whether you're a creative professional working on HDR content or just binge-watching your favorite series, this display won't disappoint. It's bright, it's sharp, and it's incredibly detailed. But here's the kicker. It can handle up to 1000 nits of sustained brightness and 1600 nits of peak brightness. Imagine that clarity and brilliance on your screen right now. And TF, you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe for more tech talks. Battery life is another area where the MacBook Pro M1 outshines its competitors. How does up to 21 hours of video playback sound? Yes, you heard that right. This kind of battery life ensures you can work, play, and create without constantly worrying about your charger. And the best part? Unlike other laptops that throttle performance on battery power, the M1 maintains its high performance whether plugged in or not. Alright, let's get real. How does this all tech spec sheet translate to everyday use? For students, professionals, and creatives alike, the MacBook Pro M1 is a game changer. Running multiple apps, handling large files, or streaming high-quality videos, it does it all without breaking a sweat. Even gaming has found a new friend in the M1, with titles like Resident Evil Village and Assassin's Creed Mirage running smoothly. And if you're into video conferencing or using widgets, macOS Sonoma brings a suite of features that make remote work and interaction more engaging than ever. If this sounds interesting, hit that subscribe button and let's get moving. Now, let's talk about affordability. Starting at $1,299, the MacBook Pro M1 is priced competitively, especially considering the performance and features it offers. And now, with Apple's trade-in program, you can even get credit for your new MacBook, making it even more accessible. Furthermore, due to the availability of newer models in the market in 2024, the prices have dropped even further, and you can even get your hands of a used MacBook Pro M1 13 inches for less than $900. So, is the MacBook Pro M1 truly an affordable beast? As far as my use and experience goes, absolutely. It combines cutting-edge performance, stunning design, and exceptional battery life in a package that's hard to beat. Whether you're a power user or someone looking for a reliable everyday laptop, the M1 has something for everyone. Especially for the students, it makes a great device which will offer longevity and performance both at once. Ready to experience it yourself or not convinced as yet? Let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for deeper dives into the latest tech. We will see you soon in a next tech video. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.